Good morning, Texans. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. So it's Cinco de Mayo and Taco Tuesday on the same day. How can you beat that? It's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And at this time, we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Our PTSA, Parent Teacher Student Association General Meeting, is going to happen tomorrow night, May 6th at 7:30. This will be an online meeting, and we are sending out, or maybe have already sent out, an email that details how you sign up for that. You do need to register for the meeting, sign up for it. There's a sign-up genius involved. If you have questions, I've provided the email address down here to our president of our Northwest High School PTSA, that's Michelle Smith, and that's northwesthsptsa@gmail.com. So if you have any questions about that, please reach out there, and also refer to the parent email that we're sending out shortly or have already sent. Graduation May 26th at Texas Motor Speedway. Just a quick reminder. Scholarship offers. Seniors, get your scholarship offers to your counselors. The deadline is approaching quickly. We're printing programs for legacy awards and for graduation. You want your name listed in there as a person who received scholarship offers and all of the different offers that you received, and that'll add to your class total that the last time I saw was around 11 million. Last year's class was at 17 million, actually over 17 million. So you guys got a little more catching up to do, so get after it. You've got an opportunity to send that list of scholarship offers into your counselors or to Miss Charlene Jackson in the counseling office. Graduation honor cords must be purchased online by May 19th. Legacy awards will appear online May 22nd. Night of Excellence, which is our underclassmen awards, will happen May 21st. And the pickup and return of items, keep watching your email for sign-ups to pick up items that maybe you've left at school, students, or things that are at school that you need to get. And we'll also have some sign-ups for the return of items so that you can bring back things that you owe. So just keep an eye out on your email, and you should be getting some notification very soon. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, have a great Cinco de Mayo and Taco Tuesday. I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Make it a great day.